What's going on, Mustangs? Welcome back to our 10 days of updates. With me today is Mr. Collier, our Dean of Students, and he's going to talk to you about the importance of having your student ID.
Hi Mustangs, I'm Coach Collier. Let's talk about IDs. So last year everybody received an ID. You can still use that ID if you were at Indian Trails, you have one. Any of the other schools, the elementary schools, our rising sixth graders, you can still use those IDs as well. You're gonna need your IDs for the buses. So getting on the bus, they're gonna scan your ID. When you get in the morning, same thing in the afternoons. When you get here to school to get breakfast or to get lunch, you're also gonna need those IDs. So keep those on you at all times. We're gonna hand out index cards that are going to have some QR codes on them at the beginning of the year. You will be able to use those until we're able to take pictures and get you those brand new IDs for this school year.
Other things you might need your ID for throughout the school year is checking out a book in the library, as well as entering any of our after-school events like dances or activities. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.